So new for 2022 with the mini pod is the dimensions. So we've made it 30 millimeters deeper. So that means a larger sink, more storage inside, and also the possibility for 10-litre water bottles. We've also reshaped the door so it's a little bit squarer and a little bit larger. So the mini pod has a mounting slot in the bottom of the unit, and this can be used together with bolts to bolt down to the bottom of the van, or we have a number of anchor cleats for Mercedes rails, VW cleats for the beach, caravel, and J clips for seat fixings. We've also got some sections of unwind rail which can be fitted to the floor, and in this case this unit is actually fitted on that piece of unwind rail on the right of the vehicle with the stove flipping up. But the mini pod can be fitted into numerous positions. So you've got the storage for the generic colour camping stove there, and this flips up. Pull the arm out, remove the elastic which holds it all together. There you have the stove. So then we have the new larger sink with the cordless tap. So this tap has got a small battery inside which can be charged via a USB connector, and this actually twists off and then it can be connected with the hose there. Just it back on. So then you've got the table door with the leg stored in there. And then this forms a table. So as you can see inside, even in the new version, even with the water bottle, there's more room for storage. The table just clips back on. Lower the shelf. Remembering to put the elastic on first. And the stove stores there. So it's still 490 millimeters wide, 375 millimeters deep.